let me show you this happen. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my sixth and unfortunately last video on the new Hammer's Tarantula Pro 3D printer. I did a video several weeks ago of the unboxing. I did a complete assembly. I did the first power on with test prints. I did a comparison with my Ender 3 printer. And finally, I did a VREF or voltage reference and Cura parameters video. Now, this is going to be my last video because unfortunately in the last few weeks, I have had issues with my printer. Now, if you recall, if you have seen my previous videos, I'm going to show you here up close my chess piece over here. Now you can see the quality of the print, which is amazing for the price of the printer. Now, unfortunately, like I said, over the past few weeks, let me show you this happened. Look at that. All misprints and typically only two problems. Originally, I thought the VREF was the problem. That's why I did the video on VREF adjustment. But after that, I still had the same problems. So, two problems. Print interruptions after approximately 2 hours, like typically. Although in some cases, like this one, I had the print interruption after only like about less than half an hour. So print interruption and layer shift. And you can see here with this Star Wars piece, I'm going to show you on the side camera here. You can see the shift right here. Again, the print quality is amazing, and I'm trying to show you the piece here with some light reflection. Very, very amazing quality, again, for the price. But I get a print interruption 2/3 of the time, or about 66% of the time. So meaning I have to print a piece 3 times to get a good one. So that doesn't work in 3D printing. As you know, you waste plastic and you waste time. Like this took I think it's 7 hours to print, or even more. And I have a layer shift in this case, not a power interruption. So guys, I don't know what to say. I'm in touch with Hammer's customer service for warranty support because I think the control board is the problem. If it was a mechanical failure, I would get failure all over the place. But I get failure typically after 2 hours of print. So that tells me there is something in the control board that overheats. I did all the adjustments that I showed in my previous video that were recommended by Hammer's, but still I get all these, as you can see here, print interruptions. So guys, there's nothing much I can do, so I'm going to offer my printer. It's very good for spare parts. The extruder is like new. The feeder here works perfectly. Mechanically, it's perfect. I have 4 stepper motors. So I live in the Ottawa, Canada area. So if you live nearby and you want to come to my place, I'm going to sell this as spare parts basically for about $100 Canadian. So just get in touch with me through my website, and I'll be happy, guys, to sell this to one of you if you are interested. So at the beginning I said unfortunately because the printer looks amazing. And mechanically, I was a little afraid at the beginning of the plastic parts over here, like these orange parts here are plastic. But no, it's rigid, it's very sturdy. So my only disappointment, I think, is the control board. Mine is obviously defective, as you can see here. So guys, if you decide to buy one, well, good luck. You may get a good printer, unlike my case here. So thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.